Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ang ipapakita kong demo ay kung paano gamitin ang mail merge sa laptop or sa computer. Bago ang lahat, pupunta muna tayo sa computer shop dahil wala tayong laptop. So, tara! Step 1. Go to Mailings tab and start Mailing Merge and click Step-by-Step Mail Merge Word. Step 2. Click Letters and next, click the starting document. Step 3. Click Use an Existing First and type a new list and click the Create. Then, ilalagay mo dyan ang first name, last name, address, at company name. Para mahanap mo siya, click the Use an Existing List and click the Browse. And click the addressing block and then the gratings. In the last step, previewing the finished product. And that's all. Thank you.